So let's try another example. We're given with this arithmetic sequence, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24. Ano mapapansin ninyo? Pababa siya, right? Decreasing yung values. So let's try. First step is to identify the given. Our given is a sub 1, which is equal to, very good, 56. Our a sub 5, our last term, is 24. How many terms do we have? We have 5 terms. So n is equal to 5. Is that clear? Okay. So we proceed to plugging all the values in our formula. So we have S of n. In this case, we have 5 terms. So we have S of 5 equal to n. What is our n? That is equal to 5. Times the quantity. What's our first term? We have 56. Plus our last term, a sub n. In this case, we have a sub 5. And that is 24. All over 2. Huwag kakalimutan yung 2 sa ilalim, yung denominator natin. Simplifying the expression inside the parenthesis, we have 56 plus 24, that is equal to, very good, 80. So we have 5 times 80 all over 2. Simplifying it further, we know that 80 divided by 2 is just equal to 40. So we have 5 times 40. And 5 times 40 is just 200. So our final answer, we have S of 5. So the total of all the terms is just equal to 200. Nakuha po ba yun? Okay, very good.